Welcome to Web3 Simplified. Today I'll be introducing you to AI word game. This is one of the latest projects that is currently trending on Telegram projects, alongside with Pulse and also what is it called? I think the Roof Cap. All right, so these are some of the three projects that are currently trending lately. All right, so this one it's kind of tricky. However, with my simplified video, you'll be able to go step by step on how to maximize your points. All right. So your action tokens are not actually the real tokens that you should aim at. This action token is not your AI word original token that will be listed on exchange. So I'm going to guide you on how to earn that particular point. Right. So when you register, this is your very own page. And for those who are following for the first time, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, check the description of this video. You get your referral link to my referral link rather to join this project. Also, turn on the bell notification so that you always stay updated on our latest projects. All right. So once you register, this is the home page that you are going to receive ASAP. So on the first tag here, you see your action points, which I said this is not your original token, but it is needed, right? So the second column here is unlock your first game. I believe this will be an automatic mine, just like card. For those who did Amstar and the rest. So this one will help you to mine automatically once you are able to activate with 5,000 points, right? 500,000 action points. So once you activate, but the feature is not currently active, it's still brewing. All right. So the next column is our referral system. All right. So this project actually pay those who they reward those who are active in referring. All right. So you can see currently I've been able to refer 110 people and I gained about 3.3 million action points, and my referrals, I've been able to refer 87 friends and I've been able to gain 267,253. And on the third column, you see tasks completed. These are the number of tasks that I've completed out of 38. So you can see to complete your task, just to go click, come back, then you claim your action points for each. All right. For each. So this dashboard is just a summary of what is going on the task section, all right? So this, your own page just give you summary of everything about the project, all right? So also on your friend section, you can see how it works. It pays you from level 1, level 2, level 3. That's level 1, level 2. So it pays you your direct referrals give you 10% each of their earning, while their own referral you get 2.5% each. All right. So after that, once you refer, you see your claim button here. Just go ahead and claim everything once. All right. So for the task session, you just go ahead, complete your task and claim your action point. Complete your task and claim your action points. All right. So that's for the task session. You can see I've claimed the two that I've just completed now. So just try and complete as many tasks. However, there are some of the tasks that you can't complete now. Currently, I think the process is still ongoing. This is for all the tasks related to Twitter. You can't do them now because you can see if I try to do them, it will tell me to connect my what is it called, my X account, and X is not currently giving us option to connect that for now. And I believe the team will be working on that. All right. So also for the game section, okay, this is the game section that I just showed us here. Like I said, is this page is a summary of everything here. So soon we'll be able to activate some of those cards so that it will be giving us passive income. I hope you understand. For those who are doing simple coin, yeah. So yes, it's the same narrative. So just go ahead and activate, but it's coming soon. So for the airdrop section, which is the main purpose I'm doing this video, like I said, your action point is not your original token. This is your original token. You can see it here. Right. For yours, you'll be having level 1. Just go ahead, make sure you are upgrading. So the more upgrade you have using your action point, the more token. You can see here, level 7, I'm entitled to about 50,000 AI word token, the original token, not action point. If I'm able to activate level 8 now, I will be entitled to 75,000. So let's try to do that now. Let me upgrade with 1 million point. 1 million action point has been deducted. All right, so now you can see I'm entitled to 75,000 AI word. And if I'm able to upgrade up to, what is it called, level 9, if I'm able to upgrade level 9, and level 9 requires, you can see it here, it requires 2 million action points. Once I'm able to have 2 million action points, then they will be able to upgrade me to level 9, although they will not remove the entire 2 million action points. All right, so let's see how it goes. Let me see any tasks that I can complete. Okay, for now, I don't think I'll be able to complete any tasks to round up to 2 million so that I will just upgrade. So that's that for that. Make sure you enter the airdrop section, spend your action tokens, spend them to upgrade so as you can level up on your AI rewards. All right, thank you so much for following Web3 Simplified. All our videos are indeed simplified. Once you go through my video, there will be no need for you to go through any other videos in regards to projects that you are doing under our community. So we have our WhatsApp community, we also have our Telegram community. Just make sure you follow through the description of this video, and also check out our page on YouTube. That's the about page. You see all the link that are related to the community. Thank you.